Okay, and then go over to the front, the forehead, and coming back a little bit, like go to northeast and come back to southwest, and go up and come back. So we'll create volume around the head. Let's grab one more piece, smaller piece, and this will add to fill this top, a little bit dent right here. So this is about 2 inches long, and start with the side of the face, go all the way up and to the other side. Felt into place. I'm going to increase the volume of the face, so on each side I will fold into about like 1 to 1.5 inch pillow to attach for each side. So you need 2 pieces, 1 at each side. Be careful to fold it because you're gonna hit the pipe cleaner. Sometimes it breaks the needle. Now I grab a piece about 5 inch. I'm going to smooth out the face, the head. So I'm going to wrap it around from the bottom to all the way to the top and coming back. Felt into place. Now we are going to create top lip of the dragon. I take one piece around 4 inch long, half inch width, and I'm going to fold into half. For the top, you fold a little bit in. For the bottom, fold it up a little bit. The fringe attach to the forehead. A little bit longer than the top lip pipe cleaner, so we can fold in a little bit to cover up the pipe cleaner. The side, fold down a little bit. The other side too. Take another piece, roughly measure. Maybe I fold in half and fill into the top lips. Another piece, maybe shorter, 3 inch, fold into half. to the bottom lip. Fold a little bit of front. Fill in between the pipe cleaner and this piece. We are going to cover between top lip and bottom lip, the joint. So there will be a piece, a rectangle piece. It's pretty narrow. It's like a belt, around 2 inches. So I securely the end from the middle part of top lips, and go all the way to the bottom. So it's like U shape. Take a piece about 2 by 2 inch. Use your felting needle to draw a mountain shape. Fold in, fold in. This piece will create a forehead.